In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make this thumbnail in CapCut. Before we start, make sure you have all assets you are going to use in this process. Also turn on full screen mode so that you can view everything easily. So let's dive in. First, open the CapCut app and then click on new project. After clicking on new project, click on photos and then select the background you want to use. If you don't know where you can get this background, you can search on Google free background to use in thumbnails, and you will get many background, and you can pick one you want to use. So I'm going to do some adjustments so that our background can look more clean and cool. When you are done, click on overlay and then click on add overlay. So at this time I'm going to add my photo with the removed background. If you have a photo with background, you can use the CapCut tool, which is auto cutout, and you can remove background, but I'm not going to recommend you to use this feature. And for me, I use the website which is called remove.bg. It is a good tool which removes the background easily and in a few steps. So it removes background as well, but CapCut in some cases it doesn't remove the background well. So that's why I use remove.bg. After adding our photo with removed background, so we are going to do some adjustments so that our photo can look so clean. So by doing some adjustment, you can either choose to use filters. For me, I'm going to use this filter which is called Talo, and then add some more adjustment in brightness and vignette and other adjustments. So while I'm doing some adjustment, let me give you some few seconds to subscribe on this channel and like this video, because it motivates me so that I can keep doing some grateful content for you. So guys, when you are not okay with the background, you can change it by clicking on add overlay and then pick some other background. So and then resize it so that it can look cool, and then click on that background and then drag it under that photo of you. Then click on that background and then scroll and click on main track. After clicking on main track, it will go on main track. Then select that photo of you and then click on overlay. So after clicking on overlay, it will go under the background and it will be visible. So see that this background and this photo are looking clean. So if you are not okay with the results, you can do some adjustments. Now it's the time to add some materials like this CapCut logo, and you have to resize it and drag it on the top. So you have to position in the right place, and then when you are okay with that, you can start adding text. So by adding text, you will click on add text and then you will enter the text. So for me, I'm going to enter thumbnail. After writing thumbnail, I'm going to style so that I can change the font. So by clicking on font, I'm going to choose this font which is called Resolve, or this which is called Elegant. So I don't know how to pronounce it. For you, you will input the font which you are okay with that. So then you have to click on style and you can change the stroke of the text, the glow, the background, or the shadow. For the background, I'm going to input that ABC. Then at the background color, you see that I have chosen black, and then on stroke you can choose like black or gray. You can do what you want. So for me, I'm going to do some adjustment on the text, and I'm going to do that quickly so that you can save the time. So when you are done, you have to change the position of your text. For me, I'm going to drag it here. So when you're okay with that, you can leave it. So then click on OK, and I'm going to duplicate this text so that I can get the duplicate without writing a new text. So first drag this CapCut logo somewhere in the middle, and then after that I'm going to duplicate this text so that it can come with the effect we have applied. So click on that text, click on that text, and then after clicking on text, you have to scroll and click on duplicate. So after clicking on duplicate, you will have to drag down and you will receive a new text. So then click on edit icon and you can change the text. So here I'm going to add the text, which is tutorial, and then after writing tutorial, click on OK, or you can adjust some settings based on what you want and what you like. Subscribe on this channel and turn on the post notification so that it can help me to make other useful content. So the last step is to screenshot your project and then crop the image. So when you are done with the cropped image, you see that we have a good thumbnail which we can use in our YouTube videos and is looking so clean. So give this video a like and comment in the comment section what you want to see in our next videos. So click on this video if you want to know how you can create a fake YouTube studio background for your videos. So thanks for watching, see you there.